going to learn types of novel. Now let us see the types of novel. There are many types of novel. In this video, we learn only 5 types of novel, that is realistic novel, historical novel, picaresque novel, epistolary novel and Gothic novel. First novel is a realistic novel. What is a realistic novel? The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism, character, setting, theme, etc. etc. Realistic novel that places a strong emphasis on the truthful representation of the actual in fiction. The stories resemble real life and fictional characters. Within these stories react similarly to real people. This type of stories shows personal or social events or issues that mirror contemporary life, such as falling in love, marriage, finding a job, divorce, so many. Let us take a few examples of realistic novel. First, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. The setting is real. The characters could be real people. Second type of novel is picaresque novel. So what is the definition of? The picaresque novel is a realistic portrayal of criminal life in which criminals and their tricks constitute the chief source of interest. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or a disreputable person, in an episodic form. In picaresque novel, there are many qualities. For example, hero is a criminal, as well as setting is also important element. And for example, Dawn, it is a picture of Shah Rukh Khan. In this picture, there is a Shah Rukh Khan is also a criminal. In this way, this is the example of picaresque novel. Next type of novel is a historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. An historical novel, a novel that has as its setting a period of history and that attempts to convey the spirit, manners and social conditions of a past age with realistic details to historical facts. It also shows past events in fictional stories. Historical novel is a record of individual life, of individual emotion in circumstances and lives of historical interest. Historical novel, there are many features: history and creative imagination, particular period, as well as the language, lifestyle. It is also important features of historical novel. Next type of novel is epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents, although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel. Diary entries are also a popular form of this type. Students, an epistolary novel is a novel written as a series of documents. The usual form is letters, although diary, entries, newspaper, clipping, and other documents are sometimes used. In recently, electronic documents such as recording, radio, blogs, and emails have also come into use. The purpose of epistolary novel, the primary function of this form of writing is to give readers an intimate view of characters, feelings, and thoughts, and develops a direct connections with the events through letter without emotions. There are three methods: direct, indirect, and epistolary. The writer as well as the novelist describes through the diary. This is the epistolary novel. Next type of novel is a Gothic novel. So what is Gothic novel? The novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death, or decay, or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. The Gothic word has been taken from Goths. It is a German tribe. Goth, it is a German tribe. Novel of horror, its main elements was a supernatural. For example, ghost, witches, monster are the example. Horace Walpole, he is first novelist as well as founder of Gothic novel. It is a very famous novelist in second half of the 18th century. That Gothic novel setting is also different. For example, haunted houses. The term Gothic novel refers to a style of writing that characterized by elements of fear, horror, gloom, as well as ghost. Set in a haunted castle or house, atmosphere of mystery and suspense. There is ghost or monster. Weather is always awful, dreaming and nightmares. Burdens, male protagonist. These are the characteristics of the Gothic novel. Thank you.